welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very simple but delicious recipe. We're going to be making spicy Chipotle Chilaquiles. So I'm going to be going over the ingredients that we have here. They're very few and you might already have these at home. If you're joining my channel, don't forget to subscribe and introduce yourself and stick around for more yummy recipes. To start, we're going to go over the ingredients that we need for the sauce. So we're going to start off with 1 can of 7.5 ounces of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We're going to use 3 jalapeños, 3 tomatoes. My tomatoes are pretty big. If you're using the Roma tomatoes and you don't like too much spice, I would recommend you use 4 tomatoes. And we're going to be using 3 garlic cloves. I'm also going to be using about 8 yellow corn tortillas. You can use white corn if you like. So after you have your tortillas cut into little triangles or strips, whatever you're going for, we're going to be using some oil to fry these in. I added about half a cup of corn oil to my pan and it's already ready to go. I'm gonna take my tortilla chips and start frying them. Wipe off some of this oil that was left. In the same pan, I added my 3 tomatoes, my 3 jalapeños, 3 cloves of garlic, and I forgot to mention to add a small piece of onion just for flavor. So we're just going to chop these. Added the chipotle peppers in here. I only ended up using half a can of chipotle peppers because they were a bit spicy, and I also left out 1 of the jalapeños because they were really spicy as well. So I'm going to add some salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna blend. I'm gonna take my tortilla chips and add them to my sauce. So this is our final plate. I topped it off with a fried egg. You can serve this with scrambled eggs, you can serve this with a piece of steak or shredded chicken. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and how you like it. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.